Welcome back to another video, guys. And today we're gonna go goose hunting at the Lake of the Ozarks in Missouri. And yeah, we'll see you guys when we get there. Alright guys, so we got our spread out. They're all blowing into each other. But there's them. Luke's got his call. He's gonna call real quick. This is our view. All we've seen is 2 ducks. Yeah, there's 2 ducks that were way over there. But hopefully we'll see some. We're calling right now. We might go down the lake and see if there's any down there. But here is our view. There's goose poop on Luke's dock. Right down there at the corner of it. And at that corner by his boat. So hopefully we'll get some. And yeah, we'll catch you guys on a next update. Alright guys, in the middle of the screen, as you can see, them are some honk daddies. Right where in the Luke's fingers, right there. We're gonna go see what's down there. And we might be shooting some honk daddies. But hopefully we try to call them in.
Alright boys, so as you can see there's little specks by the shore over there. They're actually coming in because Luke's calling's doing good. We're kind of hiding behind this box right now. I'll show you guys. So Luke's right there. We're hiding behind this box. And then they're way over there. And then there's poop over here, so we know they've been here and know about this spot. They're also swimming over here, so if they get close,
we
Luke,
blast. Alright guys, Cole's trying to snag it out of the water.
can't see it. I'm under.
Because water's a little cold. It's like 40 degrees outside right now, or 50 degrees, so we ain't trying to swim. First goose of the year so far. Yeah, my first goose. Cole shot a couple before. We'll see you guys when we get the goose. Alright guys, here's the first goose of the day. Not bad, but
Hey,
yeah.
this is how to shoot.
Yeah. But yeah, we'll make some goose jerky, test it out. So see you guys then.
Alright guys, we're set up in the evening hunt now. This is our view. Way over there. There's geese that landed way out there somewhere. Hopefully it'll come in though. But yeah, Luke is ready to shoot 80.
Alright guys, we just shot 3 geese. There's one right there. And there's one that is on land over there, I think. And one I think is still in the water, but Cole and my dad are going to get them on the wave runner, so I'll see you guys if or when they come back. Alright guys, looks like Cole is walking towards the dock because the goose is going in and he can't snag it, so yeah. Looks like he's having fun. It's like 40 degrees out. So yeah, see you guys when they get those.
Alright guys, we are in the middle of cleaning all these geese. We got one right there, one in there. Then Luke and his dad are cleaning up these. All the meat's in that bowl. And yeah, we'll catch you guys tomorrow morning when we're gonna hopefully shoot some more. So yeah. Alright guys, so we're set it up. Hopefully there's some geese down there. And then there's our spread. At least got the call right now.
And yeah, we're loaded. Hopefully we see some. There's like a flock of 50 that flew in last night over there. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when I see a goose.